This is the TicWatch Pro 3 GPS, one of the first Wear OS devices powered by the highly anticipated Qualcomm Snapdragon 4100 chipset. I have been using this TicWatch Pro 3 GPS for a few weeks now so that I can get a real feel of these Wear OS devices consistently over a decent period of time. Welcome to my review. As always, let's start with the unboxing. This TicWatch 3 GPS comes in a package like this, and it's neat, it's beautiful, and it's awesome. The package has the TicWatch Pro 3 GPS along with the silicon strap, a magnetic charger, some papers, and another paper. Oh, it's an instruction manual. The main highlight of this TicWatch Pro 3 GPS is the processor. This is the first smartwatch that runs Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon Wear 4100 chipset along with full 1 GB of RAM. And I really felt the smoothest Wear OS experiences with this hardware combination. The dual displays. Another most attractive feature of this TicWatch Pro GPS is the dual layer display. The standard watch face has a beautiful, bright, nicely saturated round 1.4-inch AMOLED Retina display that looks gorgeous. When you are not actively using the watch, the secondary LCD display will come in action. This secondary display takes much less battery power and it has a good visibility as well. Also, this secondary display has a dedicated low-powered backlight so that you will always be able to see the time without having to wake up the main AMOLED screen. The 577 mAh battery on this TicWatch Pro GPS is the largest battery of any Wear OS smartwatch. From my experience, the battery lasts around 3.5 days even with heavy use. This is with all monitoring features enabled, including sleep tracking, stress monitoring, blood oxygen level tracking, and with the essential mode turned on, it can last up to 45 days. I really love devices that offer a great battery life, and that's one of the reasons why I use this TicWatch daily. And the other reason is it's so lightweight. You don't even feel like there's a powerful smartwatch on your wrist. So let's jump into the software side of my experience. As I said before, this TicWatch Pro GPS is a Wear OS smartwatch. Connecting this TicWatch with a smartphone is not a huge task. Simply download the Wear OS app from Play Store or from the App Store if you are using an Android or iPhone. Whatever, it worked well with both my Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus and my iPhone 12 Pro Max. It does offer many custom watch faces inside the smartwatch, but you can apply more using the Wear OS app on your smartphone. The happiest thing in this TicWatch is that it has a built-in microphone and a speaker. You can actually take calls directly through the TicWatch and you can speak with them without the need of taking out your phone from your pocket. The more added feature of this is you are having full Google voice assistant through this watch.
Hey Google, who won the US federal elections?
Hey, you can even watch YouTube videos with this smartwatch. Even you can play games. This is so incredible. As now smartwatches are really meant to be health focused, this TicWatch offers many health related applications like Tic Health, Tic Exercise, Tic Pulse, Tic Sleep, Tic Breathe, Tic Sun, Tic Oxygen, Tic Hearing, Tic Tic, Tic Tic, Tic Tic, and so on. Here Moboi has increased the number of sensors to measure your heart rate, oxygen level for more accurate reading. It measures your heart rate on a 24-hour basis and will tell you exactly when you are relaxed, stressed, how much activity you have put through yourself. As it has inbuilt GPS like the Apple Watch, it can accurately track your footsteps even if your phone is not with you. The GPS also allows you to use the Google Map directly from the smartwatch. If you don't like Tic application, you can use Google Fit app, which is also pre-installed in it. The inbuilt Google Play Store allows us to download any smartwatch apps, games as your likings. It has inbuilt Wi-Fi, so it can connect to any Wi-Fi and shows you the notification from your smartphone even if your smartphone's Bluetooth is turned off, as both the devices are connected with the same Google account, and that's a really great feature I really love to have on a smartwatch like this. Finally, it is IP68 water resistant. That means you can even swim in a pool with this smartwatch on your wrist. We test everything. So that is all about the all-new TicWatch Pro GPS. For me, I really love to have a smartwatch like this all the time on my wrist. It's powerful, lightweight, fitness focused with amazing battery life. I really recommend this. You can find the link of this product in this video description. So what do you guys think of this TicWatch Pro GPS? Comment it here and let me know. I read all the comments. So that's it for this video. See you guys in the next one. Bye.